Hi students, welcome to Grow Up Online Tuitions and welcome to the class of Neet 2022 versus NCERT books analysis. In the previous video, we discussed about 10 questions. In this video, we are going to discuss another 10 questions from Neet 2022 paper. If you are not watched the previous 10 questions, please go and watch the video. The video is present in our YouTube channel. The link is present in comment box. Please go and watch the video. Now let us discuss 61. Which statement regarding the polymers is not correct? Here they are asking, according to the polymers, among the four statements, one statement is not correct according to polymers. You have to identify that statement. Now let us discuss the given statement. Thermoplastic polymers are capable of repeatedly softening and hardening on heating and cooling respectively. Okay, we know that thermoplastics which undergone heating, it becomes softened. Which undergone cooling, it becomes hardened. So according to the concept of thermoplastic, we conclude that the statement given is right. So statement 1 is correct. Now let us discuss the statement 2. Thermosetting polymers are reusable. This word reusable is not correct according to thermosetting polymers. So statement 2 is incorrect among the four options. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer. This is a basic concept from the polymers lesson. I hope this concept is clear. Now let us discuss the 62. Given below are the two statements. Okay, now let us see the statement 1. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are higher than hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses because of weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones due to the presence of dipole-dipole interactions. Before going to discuss whether this statement is true or false, now let us see the concept from NCERT. This concept from NCERT second year organic chemistry. The lesson name is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Its page number is the page number of this concept is 365. If you have any doubt, please go and check the concept. Now let us see the lines from this paragraph. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are higher than the hydrocarbons and ethers of comparable molecular mass. This is due to weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketone arising out of the dipole-dipole interactions. Due to dipole-dipole interactions and a weak molecular association takes place in aldehydes and ketones. That's why the boiling points of aldehydes or ketones are higher than hydrocarbons. We observe that these lines are taken from the NCERT. So statement 1 is, so according to NCERT concept, the statement 1 is correct. Now let us discuss the statement 2. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are lower than the alcohols of similar molecular mass and due to the absence of hydrogen bonding. When you observe aldehydes and ketones, which it is not having the hydrogen bonding, that's why these boiling points are lower than alcohols. Before going to judge these statement true or false, now let us see the lines from NCERT. Also, their boiling points are lower than those of alcohols of similar molecular masses due to the absence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. We observe that these two statements are from the directly from NCERT. So we conclude that this statement is also true according to the NCERT. The statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Now let us verify the given options. Here both the statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer. That's why NCERTs are very important for NEET examination. You have to understand the line to line from NCERT so you can easily answer the NEET examination. Now let us discuss the 63. The IUPAC name of element with atomic number 119 is. Here they given that atomic number you have to name according to IUPAC. This question is also directly from NCERT. Now let us see the concept from NCERT. This question is from NCERT first year from periodic classification of elements. The page number of this concept is page number is 18. If you have any doubt, please go and check the concept. Now let us see the concept. The nomenclature of elements with atomic number above 100. Here we observe that 101. Here 1 means un and 0 means nil, 1 means unium. Okay. Now let us see the 109. Here 9 means inium. We know the concept that 1 means un and another one means un. Here 9 means inium. That means un inium is the IUPAC name of this 119. So our answer is 3 is our correct answer according to the given concept. I hope this concept is clear. Now let us discuss the 64. At 298 Kelvin, the standard electrode potentials are. Here they given some standard electrode potential. We write the standard potentials on the right hand side. Cu2 plus 2 Cu, its value is 0.34 volt. And next one is Zn 2 plus 2 Zn. Its value is minus 0.76 volt. Next one Fe 2 plus 2 Fe. Its value is minus 0.44 volt. And last one Az plus 2 Az. Its value is 0.80 volt. On the basis of standard electrode potential, we have to predict which of the following reaction can't occur. Okay, we know that the concept, which one having the highest standard electrode potential, that is act as a cathode. We know that at the cathode, reduction takes place. By this concept, now let us verify the given equations. Firstly, write the reactions in charged form. That means Cu plus 2, 0, 0, plus 2. Here we observe the two metals. Copper plus 2 to plus 0, its value is 0.34. And next one, silver 0 to silver 2 plus, its value is 0.80. We observe that this silver having the highest standard reduction potential. That's why we conclude that it's undergo reduction. Now let us observe this reaction here, plus 2 to 0. That means addition of electrons. Addition of electrons means reduction takes place. But here silver 0 to plus 2, loss of electrons. That means oxidation takes place. Here we observe that silver, which is having the highest standard reduction potential. That's why silver undergo reduction. But here silver undergo oxidation. That's why this reaction does not occur. So our answer is 2 is our correct answer. Now let us discuss the 65. The Zeldahl's method for the estimation of nitrogen can be used to estimate the amount of nitrogen in which of the following compounds. Before going to answer this question, now let us see the concept from NCERT. This concept is from NCERT first year textbook. The lesson is General Principles of Organic Chemistry. The page number of this concept is 366. If you have any doubt, please go and check the concept. When you observe this paragraph, the Zeldel's method is not applicable to compounds containing nitrogen in nitro, azo groups, and nitrogen in the presence of pyridine. As a nitrogen of these compounds does not change to ammonium sulfate under these conditions. Because of this method is not used to above mentioned three compounds. They are nitro, azo, and pyridine compounds. Now let us verify the given options. We observe that this is an azo form. So this is not applicable. This method is not applicable. This is in the form of nitro. This compound is also not applicable. This is in the form of pyridine is present. The nitrogen is present within the ring. So this is called an pyridine. So this compound is also not estimation for nitrogen by using of that method, by using of the above method. So the remaining option is aniline, which containing the amine, which will converted into ammonium sulfate. Ammonium sulfate according to the conditions. So our answer is A is our correct answer. I hope this concept is clear. Now let us discuss the 67. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. Here, among the four statements, one statement is incorrect and remaining three statements are correct. Now, let us verify the given statements. Ionization enthalpy of alkali metals decreases from top to bottom in a group. When you observe from top to bottom, the ionization energy decreases. First of all, try to understand what you meant by ionization energy. The ionization energy means the energy required to remove an electron from outermost shell. When you observe from top to bottom, the size increases, the ionization energy decreases. Why? Because there is no need to high amount of energy to remove an electron from outermost shell. Why? Because size increases, it easily gives an electron. So this statement is correct. The ionization enthalpy of alkali metals decreases from top to bottom in the group. Now let us discuss the second one. Lithium is the strongest reducing agent among the alkali metals. According to standard reduction potential, this concept from NCERT, the lesson electrochemistry, the lithium having the highest value, the lithium having the highest standard reduction potential value. That's why lithium is act as the strongest reducing agent. So statement 2 is also correct. Now let us see the statement 3. Alkali metals react with water to form the hydroxides. Yes, they form the hydroxides. Now let us see the concept from Ncert. This concept from group 1A elements. When alkali metals react with water, they form an hydroxides and dihydrogens. So according to Ncert, their statement 3 is also correct. Now let us see the statement 4. The oxidation number of potassium in KO2 is plus 4. We know that potassium, which is belonging to the positive group element, so it have an plus 1 oxidation state, does not exhibit the plus 4. So statement 4 is incorrect. So according to our question, the incorrect one among the four statement is 4. 4 is our correct answer. If you want to check this concept from NCERTs, its a page number is this altrochemistry. This is from second year electrochemistry. Its page number is 71. Lesson name is electrochemistry. And this concept from NCERT first year. The page number, the lesson name is Group 1A Elements. The page number of this concept is 302. If you have any doubt, please go to these page numbers and check the concept. Now let us discuss the 68. Given below are the two statements. One is labeled as an assertion and one is a reason. Now let us see the assertion. In a particular point defect, an ionic solid is electrically neutral even if a few of its cations are missing from its unit cell. It seems to be the definition of Scotty defect. Now let us see the definition of Scotty defects from NCERT. If you want to check this concept, please go to the page number 28, NCERT second year, solid state lesson. Now let us see the concept of Scotty defect. It is basically a vacancy defect in ionic solids. In order to maintain electrical neutrality, the number of missing cations equal to the number of missing anions. Okay. Here is the picture representation of Scotty defect. Now let us see the reason. In an ionic solid, Frankel defect arises due to the dislocation of cation from its lattice side to the interstitial sides, maintaining overall electrical neutrality. This is also definition of Frankel defects. Here also observe that this is the definition from NCERT textbook. Here we observe that this assertion and reason gives the definitions of Scotty defect and Frankel defects. Now let us discuss the given options. Here both A and R correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Why? Because here they individually gives an statements. He has not explained the A. That's why. So our answer is 4 is our correct answer. If you have any doubt, please go and check the concept. Now let us discuss the 69. The IUPAC name of the complex, that is AgH2O whole twice and AgCN twice, is. Now let us check the concept from NCERT. This concept is phrase number 250 and second year coordination chemistry lesson. Here they given that in place of ammonia they given water. We observe that ammonia and water are neutral compound. So its charge is 0 and Ac is Cn twice and is known as. Okay. Now let us verify the given options. Here dicyanide. Here given that water. So option 1 is eliminated. And second one. And third option also dicyanide. That's why option 3 is also eliminated. Why? Because here diaqua is present at the post complex. That means the 2 and 4 having the diaqua silver 1 and dicyanide both are correct, but the oxidation states are different. Here we observe that the oxidation states are both are having the one. Why? Because for example, if you want to calculate the oxidation state, silver becomes X plus this silver also becomes X. That will gives rise to 2X. This H2O water is neutral 0. It having the 2 into minus 1 equal to 0. That gives rise to 2X equal to 2, X equal to 1. That means each complex having the plus 1 oxidation state. So according to this concept, 2 is our correct answer. I hope this concept is clear. If you have any doubt, please go to the page number 250 and see the concept. Now let us discuss the 70. Choose the correct statement among the following. Diamond is sp3 hybridized and graphite is sp2 hybridized. Before going to answer this question, now let us see the concept from NCERT. This concept from NCERT first year, group 14 and page number 325. If you have any doubt, please go and check the concept. Here the given statement that diamond undergo sp3 hybridized and graphite undergo sp2. Now let us check the concept. Here diamond undergo sp3 hybridization and graphite undergo sp2 hybridization. So according to the NCERT concept, statement 1 is correct. So our answer is 1 is our correct answer. Now let us check the remaining statements are correct or incorrect. The second one, both diamond and graphite are used as a lubricant. Okay. If you check the concept from graphite, the graphite is used as an dry lubricant in machines. Why? Because they having very soft and slippery nature. But diamond is hard. That's why statement 2 is incorrect. Now let us see the statement 3. Diamond and graphite have two-dimensional network. Now let us see the concept. The diamond which is having the resid with a three-dimensional network and graphite which is having the two-dimensional network. According to the concept of diamond, the diamond which is having the three-dimensional and graphite having the two-dimensional. So this statement is also incorrect. Now let us discuss the fourth statement. Diamond is covalent and graphite is ionic. We know that both diamond and graphite are covalent in nature. Why? Because they are purely containing carbons. The carbons linkage in the carbon-carbon linkage which is covalent in nature does not exceed the ionic. So statement 4 is also incorrect. So our answer is 1 is our correct answer. I hope this concept is clear to you.